start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim, and the topic is big topic is constructive listening. Same topic, and today's topic: soliciting information. Not only one may listen to Rechilus that is important to him to hear. He may even approach someone and request information that would otherwise be considered Rechilus. Obviously, so Rechilus meaning that what somebody said about me, right? Or let's say, right? But it's only for constructive purpose, of course. Obviously, or somebody said about my friend or my relatives, my rabbi. Obviously, the solicitor must make it clear that his solicitation is sanctified by Halachos. So meaning you have to explain that person why it is for a constructive purpose. One must also be careful to request only pertinent information and nothing more. Okay. Should the person from whom the information was requested be in a related unnecessary gossip, he should be stopped immediately. So if I need to know about only that in the specific individual for what he was saying about me, so that's fine, but I cannot ask what else was going on there. That place. Okay, that's the idea. Stop here.